Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Valentine Day hot design, nail art design step by step guide. Number one design is half moon kiss. If you have a hard time parting with your festive nail art after the holidays in question, for Miss Pop's Valentine Day's look, the nail artist used a scraping brush to paint pink and purple kisses atop a soft pink background, leaving the translucent half moon that will turn into a waxing moon as your nails start to grow. So feel free to keep this manicure in place until St. Patrick's. Number two design is bleeding hearts. Bleeding hearts is my favorite design in Valentine Day. Feel like you have been stabbed in the chest, or perhaps like lighting the whole concept of Valentine's Day on fire. Look no further than Heta Bleeding Hearts. She used gel bottle ink steady, a beautiful soft pink nude and lace leaf, a wide red to hand paint this versatile look, which works just as well for someone in the lusty thrones of an early relationship as someone whose heart feels crushed and melted. Let's move to design number three, festive French. Aside from pairing beautifully with a Valentine's Day cake pop, this versatile French, not to be confused with the reverse French to be discussed later, is the perfect choice for when you love both colors equally. Start by applying two base coats, alternating shades for one or a few accent nails. Once dry, use a detail brush to apply the thin red tip to the top of the nail, staying close to the edge, following the shape of the nail, explains Savannah Gulwan, a nail technician with Bellicura's Nail Salon in Los Angeles. Once nails are dry, use the opposite color on the ring finger. Our next design is Chrome Hearts. This futuristic French tips nod to the season of love with zero need for red or pink nail paint. Nail artist Jessica Vasic used a base coat of Easy Fairy Tale, a sheer light pink and accented with a chrome silver polish from UK based polish brand Models On. With the French tips in the place, she added heart shaped mental charms to seal Valentine's Day deal. Our style number next is cutout hearts. Nail artist Emily Zhang knows there's no need to choose between French tips and festive hearts. If you can believe it, she hand painted the perfect heart. Hearts are tactic, a place two dots next to each other to create the top of the heart. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.